Welcome back to PrimeView. Today, guys, we're in the heart of the city, as you can see. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic and energetic places in Jerusalem, Mahane Yehuda. This area isn't just a market, it's a lifestyle. It's central, walkable, connected directly to the light rail, and literally minutes from Jaffa Road, the city center, and the nightlife district. In this video, I'll show you the streets, the atmosphere, and what it's really like to live right next to the market, plus what kind of apartments you can find here in 2025. I will tell you the prices later in the video. I want you to feel and see the atmosphere and the streets, the real streets, the real life. Okay, Mahane Yehuda is one of the most connected places in Jerusalem. You have the light rail right here, dozens of bus lines, and you can walk anywhere. This is amazing. The city center, Ben Yehuda Street, King George, everything is so close. You take the train, the light rail, you take 2 stations, you in central bus station, you can take a train to the airport 20 minutes, or to Tel Aviv 30 minutes or 40 minutes, depending where in Tel Aviv. No traffic jams. This is insane. Let's walk inside the market and I will tell you more things about this place. All right. This market is the heart of the neighborhood. Over 200 stalls, cafes, bars, bakeries and restaurants. From morning until late at night, there is movement, energy, music, and people. If you love life, food and atmosphere, this is one of the most exciting spots in the country. So, who lives here? The population here is a mix: young professionals, students, expats, and new immigrants. People who want to live close to nightlife, restaurants, and transportations. This is not a quiet family suburb. This is the center of everything. Alright, what about rental demand? There is always strong rental demand here, long term and short term. Because of the shuk and the location, apartments here rarely stay empty. That's why investors watch this area closely. The occupancy rate is extremely high. As you see in the middle of Mahane Yehuda, you see these tall, crazy buildings. And there will be more. You'll see a mix of old Jerusalem stone walk-ups, renovated units, boutique buildings, and new luxury projects coming up around Agrippa Street and the wider city center area. You can find everything here, from small studio apartment all the way up to the premium units. So let's walk a little bit inside the Mahane Yehuda market, and I'll show you guys the prices. The prices, you have many different prices. You have cheaper and you have very expensive. So as you see, there are many types of apartments: old building, new building, a few rooms, a lot of rooms, few square meters, a lot of square meters. Let's see what we have. So this is the main market street. Okay, we go towards Agrippa Street. So here in this area, you have what I see, advertisement. You have 4 rooms. Okay, I want to be clear, because people asking me how we count the rooms. Okay, so here in Israel, when we say how many rooms, we include every room. Okay, so if it's like 4 rooms, it means usually it's 1 living room and 3 bedrooms. All right, so you have 4 rooms, third floor, somewhere here in this area, 114 square meters. This is quite large apartment. It's a third floor out of 3. Okay, so it's one of those short buildings. It cost 3.9 million shekels. The dollar today, $1 equals 3.2 shekels. So you can do the math. You can see how beautiful the city is. Okay, all this is Mahane Yehuda neighborhood. All this. All right, and also all this. Let's go a little bit inside and see what buildings we have inside. Also, there is a 6th room in this area, 3rd floor, 150 square meters. Wow. It's floor 3 out of 15. All right, there is a nice view. What else we have? It's 5.8 million shekels, guys. Very, very large apartment. The place is insane. You see? I see the sign. Okay, it's for rent. All right. Small apartment, small building, very nice place. All right. Let's see what else we have. Another one. All right. We have 7 rooms, 1st floor, ground floor, 311 square meters. Very, very large. Cost 11 million shekels. So as you see, you have different different prices for different apartments. Oh, I found the cheapest yet. I will tell you the cheapest. 2.5 rooms, ground floor, 65 square meters around here. It's not new. Actually it's 55 square meters. What the 10 additional meters, what is that? Let's see, I don't know what is that. Maybe the entrance of the house. As you see, many houses very old, they renovating. This area is insane. It will be even more in price because of the buildings everywhere. This area will be very and now very heart of the city, very central. Yeah, you have a balcony. Maybe it's the balcony, the 10 square meters. So yeah, the cheapest one that I found, 2.5 million. Wow, it's less than $1 million. You can see the tall buildings from here. You can see them everywhere, from everywhere. So the price range is from 2.5 million and up. You can live here. So that's Mahane Yehuda, one of the most vibrant, most central and most in-demand areas in Jerusalem. Whether you're thinking about investing or moving here, this neighborhood offers incredible energy and some of the strongest rental demand in the city. If you enjoyed this walk, subscribe for more real estate tours across Jerusalem, and I'll see you in the next video.